So we need to disconnect the batteries. The first step is to remove the two tabs on this plastic piece to remove it for better access to the battery. Now it's a good time to clear out any leaves if you see them in this area because it helps prevent water from getting into the cabin. Step 1, we want to disconnect the rear trunk battery negative terminal. Step 2, we want to disconnect the front negative terminal. Step 3, disconnect the rear trunk positive. Now you want to make sure to cover the terminal with something non-conductive. And as you can see, I just used the plastic cover from the battery. Step 4, disconnect the front positive. And remember, you want to cover up that terminal with a plastic cap. Now we're going to replace the front battery, so we need to remove this 10mm nut. And to do this, I used a deep socket to get this one out, which allows you to remove the battery bracket. Now you want to move the top bracket just off to the side to unhook it off the back bracket. Now you remove the battery vent piece. Now you want to save this for later. And just like that, we lift it right out and we put in our brand new battery in. Make sure that your battery cables are all out of the way, then carefully place your battery in. Now you get your top battery bracket and make sure that it hooks in at the back piece. And again, this is very easy, you don't want to be forcing anything into place. Then you just tighten the 10mm bracket nut down, and you just want to go hand tight. And make sure that you reinstall that battery vent that you took off the old one onto the new one. And then you just want to reconnect everything in reverse order. So you connect the front positive terminal, then the rear trunk positive, then the front negative, and the rear trunk negative. If this is your first time here, then make sure to subscribe. There's a lot more R230 SL content to come, so keep an eye out for new uploads, and I'll catch you in the next one.